Before going into detail about this challenge, let's see how to properly plank. The key to getting results comes down to perfecting the proper planking position. According to an article from Physical Living, this is how to do it. 1. Make sure that your arms are positioned correctly. Elbows should be directly under the shoulders to ensure proper weight distribution. 2. The spine should remain straight. Avoid rounding out your spine and putting unnecessary pressure on your neck and back. 3. Make sure to tighten your core so that it benefits from the exercise. 4. Keep your legs slightly spread. Pay attention to how your hips feel during the exercise. There should be no added pressure to the hip area. Adjust the distance between your feet as needed. 5. Your breathing should be slow and deliberate so that your core is fully engaged and your body is relaxed. And before you think otherwise, let's see why planking is beneficial for your body. You may be wondering why the planking challenge makes for such a good workout plan. After all, the exercise seems a bit simplistic to be a full body workout. However, it is just that. And here's what planking does for your body. 1. It tones your stomach. Planking involves using your core to stabilize your body and carry out the physical demands to maintain the proper planking position. The abdominal muscles are engaged during this workout. Over time, those muscles tone and tighten to give you a great-looking stomach. 2. It promotes good posture. Because your abs play a huge role in your ability to maintain good posture, planking can also be good for your balance and stability. Over time, you'll be able to stand up straight and achieve a broader range of movement. 3. It increases flexibility. According to an article published by Mercola.com, your flexibility will improve as you work your back and shoulder muscles in the plank position. The shoulder blades will actually stretch, which promotes a better range of motion. Who knew such a simple challenge could achieve such great results? So here is how this plank challenge works. This plank challenge must be completed in 4 weeks. At first, you simply start out in the plank position for 20 seconds. Easy, right? Slowly, you build up your stamina until you are planking for 4 minutes during the final days. You can find a detailed daily plan in the description box below this video. Make sure to check it out. And if you're someone looking to get started in your weight loss journey, let me tell you this. A huge part of losing weight is believing you can do it and sticking to a diet or exercise routine that is comfortable with you and transforming that into a habit. So if you don't know where to